Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Doodchill. I hope that you all get this video in your good and safe health. So today I am covering the module Essential Pre-Onboarding Learning Modules. So I am covering all the doubts which we all have, and if you do feel there is something missing or if you have any doubt, you can leave the comment in the comment section. I will like to reply on that. So apart from that, if you want to if you want to listen or know more about the interview experiences of Essential and Infosys, you can go through that also. I leave the link in the description box. So pre-learning onboarding modules are started by now, and in this video I will cover the doubts, so please watch till end, please. Okay, now, so now we have received a mail. Some people and when we are receiving our mail regarding our results, some people got both ASC and FSC role, and then they were confused about what exactly they got. So from the modules one should get to know that if your learning modules have 9 modules or 9 subjects, then you got a role of ASC, and if your modules got a 15 subjects or modules or courses, then you have a FSC role. FSC role means full stack developer. Okay, the time duration of this module is 45 days, so you have to cover all of your modules within a 45 days, and but it also lasts for few days after completion of 45 days. But the difference is, if you complete your modules after 45 days, the progress will not be recorded. So it will be better if you complete within 45 days. And there will be three mock tests, and by now we all get the dates of the mock test. So this this is the about the mock test, and about TFE. Final will be happen on just 46 day, or after that they will provide us a date for that also. And if you are having doubts, if you are having any doubts in any modules, then you can refer to the discussion forum, which was present in upper side of above of the above of your modules, in any module. So you can refer to there, because there were many people who are sharing their doubts and many people who are giving them the correct answer. And there is one thing which is called SME Connect. So SME Connect is basically a session from their side, and these are going regularly. Per day they are doing SME Connect for a particular topic. In that, they will initially tell you the basic concept of that topic, and then you can ask your any queries regarding your modules. Okay, and there are some people who ask that, can I upgrade my profile from ASC to FSC? No, you cannot. If you got an ASC, you have to stick to that profile only. Okay, and in our module there was XP and leaderboard. Some are thinking that if we got a good point, then we will get a joining letter or offer letter early. No, it is not for that. XP and leaderboard is basically to make a competitive environment among the students. It has nothing to do with the joining or offer letter. So it does not affect the joining letter and offer letter. Yeah, but yes, if you will get offer letter once you have verified all of your documents. And for the non-CS branch, that is mechanical or EC or civil, I cannot say that it is tough for you people, but yes, if you are going in an IT sector, you have to learn that. So prepare yourself by saying yes, I can do it. Okay, so it's a we can say that game of mind. Okay, You have to prepare for that, if whether if you are feeling tough or easy. Now, the pattern of TFA. The pattern of TFA will be 50 questions in 80 minutes. That is 50 marks, and these are MCQ questions. And after that, two codes, 70 minutes and 50 marks. So you have to cover 60% or 65% in this module always. And will be no sectional cutoff. So prepare like that. And the next question is, what if we aren't able to clear TFA? If we are not able to clear TFA in a first attempt, you will get two more chance. But the only difference is, if you clear TFA in first attempt, you will be eligible for learning incentive, and your passing marks will be 60%. But if you won't make it in first attempt, then you are not eligible for learning incentive, and also the passing marks will be 65%. So it is better if we clear our TFA in first attempt always. And what is learning incentive? So learning incentive is basically 10,000 rupees if you clear both the criteria, which is, first is you have to complete your modules till 98% or above, and the second criteria is you have to clear your TFA in your very first attempt. So if you are under these two criteria, then you will definitely get your learning incentive. And how to get a learning incentive? You will receive your incentive after the second month of your salary. That means when you join, and after the second month of your salary, you will get 10,000 rupees. Okay, so I covered this also. And the next question is, what if the semester exam and TFA are on the same day? If that is the case, then you can mail them with the screenshot of your date sheet. They will definitely change your date. Okay, for TFA. And what if semester exam and mocks are on the same day? Then they will not change the dates of the mock. They are sure about that. And they also said that there will be three mocks. So if you missed any one, you can cover it on these other 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 mocks. So this is, and if you are not able to complete your modules, you are not eligible for learning incentive. So, so there is no minimum criteria for modules. Now I am ending my video. If you have any more question, please leave it in the comment section. I will definitely reply to that. And furthermore, I would like to say, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Please, thank you, and take care.